this video, we will show you how to replace the fan on the ASUS ExpertBook P5 G2. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Remove the 6 screws. Flip up and insert the plastic blade to create a small gap at the corner. Use the plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Push the iron sheet up. Disconnect the red cable side first. Disconnect the black cable side. Disconnect the camera FFC connector. Remove the tape. Release the camera FFC cable. Release the RF cables. Disconnect the fan connector. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the fan. Align the screw holes to assemble the fan. Fasten the 3 screws. Connect the fan connector. Tidy up the RF cables. Tidy up the camera FFC cable. Paste the tape. Connect the camera FFC connector. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Push the iron sheet in. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side first. Press the upper side of bottom case to fix. Put the bottom case down slowly. Press left and right side of bottom case to fix. Press lower side of bottom case to fix. Press middle side of bottom case to fix. Fasten the 6 screws. If you need additional help, please contact the service center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.